Hello, welcome to Happy Thinkers. Once again, I'm very happy to see you, on YouTube, where you're looking at the free videos that I've put up to help you in your studies. So let's go back to science paper by Anglo-Chinese School. Okay, it's the semestral assessment 1 2019 paper for primary 4 science. This will be mainly on booklet B, alright, which will be split into a few parts. Without further ado, let's look at it. Study the flow chart shown below carefully. Alright, based on the flow chart above, state all the characteristics of organism B. So if you can see organism B, okay, it came down from this question. Does it lay eggs? Yes. Does it have feathers? Yes. So you just say organism have feathers and lay eggs. Okay, let me change the color. That is your answer. Alright. Next question, which I'll have to clear. Okay. Based on the flowchart above, state one difference between organisms A and C. One difference between A and C. So the difference is this one. Does it lay eggs or not? So you just write down organism C lays eggs, but A does not. Okay? Based on the chart that they have given. A does not. C, yes, right? That's the only thing that you can compare. Moving on. Based on the flowchart above, identify which group of animal organism B belongs to. So B have feathers, B lays eggs, so B will be bird, okay? Just write down bird. B-I-R-D, bird, okay? Question 30. Mei Mei carried out an experiment to study the magnetic strength of electromagnets and prepared the two setups in the diagrams below. Okay, so you have two batteries, everything the same. Seems like the bar magnet is also the same, except for the number of coils of wire. State the aim of this experiment. So the only thing that's different is the number of coils, right? So that is related to the aim already, okay? It is to find out if the number of coils of wire affects the magnetic strength of the electromagnets. Alright, that would be the answer. Okay, she counted the number of iron clips attracted to each electromagnet to determine the magnetic strength. Which setup A or B will attract more iron clips? Okay, I think the answer is quite obvious. The answer is setup A, right? Because, okay, it has more coils than B, so it will have greater magnetic strength, okay, and cause more clips to be attracted. Let me pull this out so that you can read it. This is the answer. Alright. So I'll have to clear it before I can scroll down. Besides the electrical method, state one other method that can be used to magnetize a magnetic object. Okay, there are only two that you have learned. One is electrical method, the other one is the stroking method. Okay, stroking method. Gonna clear it as well. The diagram below shows one of the systems of the human body. Name the body system shown above. This is the digestive system, right? Let me just pull this down. Okay, let me annotate. This is digestive system. Name the part labeled A. The part labeled A is stomach. Okay, this one you must know. Labeled B, this one looks bigger than the one inside, right? So it's the large intestine. Also, the large intestine is outside lah, okay? Then the small one over here. This one is the small intestine. Identify the part where food is completely digested. Using a pencil and a ruler, label this. Okay? So, food is completely digested in the small intestine, right? So, exactly what I was labeling over here. So, a pencil and a ruler. So, I'm using a straight line now, okay? Label this as, let's read the question. Label this as X, okay? So, it means I have to erase away my word small intestine here. Okay, and I need to write down X, okay? This is where it's completely digested, the whole part, the small intestine. Clear all drawings. Annie wanted to find out how long it would take to heat 3 pots of water at room temperature to reach a temperature of 50 degrees. The pots are made of identical material and are of the same size as shown in the diagram below. State the changed variable in Annie's experiment. The pot looks all the same, right? And then all of them, okay, seem to be in the same room. The only thing that's changed is clearly the amount of water. Okay. This is the change variable, amount of water used. Name the measuring instrument that Annie should use to measure the temperature of the water accurately. Okay. To measure temperature, you use the thermometer. The same amount of heat was used to heat each pot. Predict which pot A, B, or C will take the longest time to be heated up. Ask yourself, okay, I'm cooking water, okay? I'm boiling some water. Which one will take the longest time? Of course, C is going to take the longest time, right? It has the most water. Pot C. Okay, C has the most amount of water in it. Okay, that's it. Clear all drawings.